If you suffer with foot pain, you should consider getting your feet adjusted by a hand and foot chiropractor. My name is Dr. Rabia Rafiq, and I'm a hand and foot chiropractor in St. Louis, Missouri. There are 26 bones in each foot, all of which can be adjusted. When one or more of the bones in the foot lose their healthy alignment, it can lead to a foot problem. We help conditions such as plantar fasciitis, bunions, and heel spurs. A gentle chiropractic foot adjustment will restore healthy alignment and function to the joints and tissues in the feet. This will correct the underlying cause of most foot conditions. Our foot patients love having their feet adjusted, and you too would be amazed by how good your feet feel after an adjustment. Call our office today to schedule an appointment for your painful foot condition.